Okay, I got my patch panel made and I got it clamped into place real good. I'm going to go have me a little bit more breakfast, then I'll come back out here and do a little bit more grinding on that, and then we'll go to work on it. I think it looks good. I think that's the best patch panel I've made so far. Somebody said I ought to wipe some acetone on that. I used to have some acetone over here in my fiberglass stuff. If I got some, I'll put some in there. Take a look. Oh, look at there. What do we got? No, it's fiberglass. I might be out of acetone. I don't know if it's worth making a trip to the store to get some or not. I'll think on it.